What is going on? We are back today, another install and another treat. As always, love interacting with our customers and creating relationships. I got Jim with me here, and Jim's gonna tell his story. We got an Infiniti Q60. Thanks, Jim.
All right.
Good to have you, big guy.
Thank you very much. Very nice to be with you guys. I love this car. I found out about you guys through a couple of buddies at Did Their Exhaust Systems, and I called up and Kevin directed me towards your website, which by the way is excellent. Really shows the story. Really well done. Exactly what I wanted to hear is sound bites and stuff and people's reactions like what I'm doing now. And it was really helpful. And it was worth the wait. It was worth the wait.
Yeah, the wait. There's always a wait. Everybody that knows that we all hand build our products here in-house. You know, we always have a large influx of orders, so there's going to be a lead time. We're not going to sacrifice quality and outsource it. So we appreciate those that hang out on board. What I love about Jim's story, and you know, give him a little tidbit. I mean, dude, you've been in the industry a long time.
Been in the car business probably, like you said, close to 40 years. Now I'm slinging RVs, and it's kind of like on my way out, pretty much, to retirement.
He's selling dreams to the weekend warriors and the summer vacationers with the fifth wheels and the RVs. It's rad. It's rad.
You bet.
Well, thanks, buddy.
Thank you so much, guys. It was really a pleasure doing business with you. I would highly recommend you. Your outfit is top notch. You guys do things right. I'm super comfortable, and I would definitely spread the word.
Love it. Love it.
Cool.
See you on the next one.